how to build Kentico MVC responsive website effectively. Kentico enables the creation of amazing websites that drive profitable marketing campaigns and deliver us results in terms of overall customer experience. The newest version of Kentico offers smart forms and automated widgets to add functionality. Kentico Web Forms. In the case of Kentico Web Forms, the developer can replace common HTML head and body tags, as the CMS itself offers the core HTML shell. Kentico MVC development. Kentico supports website development using ASP.NET MVC 5. This development model is based on a separate MVC application that handles the presentation of the live site, while the Kentico application serves as a content platform. 5 significant tools or language platforms that are used to build responsive Kentico websites much creatively. JavaScript Module Bundler, CSS Framework, SASS Preprocessor, DevOps, JavaScript. A consideration of all the frameworks with the option to choose the most suitable HTML goes a long way in developing a responsive website that caters to the specific needs of the concerned business or enterprise's frameworks.